Get thee gone! First do no harm, harm none. Render you harmless. Weak sauce. You're out of reach, out of harm's way. Saw! Ta! Ta! Pa! Banished! 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 Give it up. Hand it over. Down the drain. More life for me. Your life is mine. I'll take that life if you're not using it. Roll over and show me your belly. You're wasting your life. Nether blast! From the nether reaches! Blast you! Blasted tower! Oh, did I do that? Tower, meet power! Blasted that tower to smithereens. No tower can stand up to the nether blast! Smithereens. Try it now. Go ahead, cast a spell. Try your magic now. My wicked wards. You should know better than that. The nether reaches out. You did that to yourself. That one's all on you. It's on your head. Don't blame me for your incompetence. I'll bet you feel like a fool. Attack! Attack! A real blast! Feel my reach. To the nether hells. Take that! Take it! Just try me. How vile! I'll do you violence. Stricken! Oblivion. Nether sorceries. Don't cross my path. Rage of a mage. Time to earn myself a bad reputation. Blink dagger. The only blade I'll ever need. I'll uncork this when the time is right. A forethought of malice. A nether vial. Get ready. Here I come. I take and I take. Here, let me give back. I take and I take. Don't make me chase you. You're only making it worse. The nether's reach is long. Crummy wizard. No! The nether reaches take me. I had hoped otherwise. I should have known. My reach exceeds my grasp. I reach the end. Oh, oblivion! Child of oblivion. I return to the nether reaches. Nether again? I can't say I'll miss this place. This wasn't part of the plan. I was ahead of my time. Denied. Denied. Let's not and say you did. Not on my watch. You're welcome. I don't think so. Try again. No, no. Not while I'm around. Double damage! Doubly damned. You'll have to kill me twice! First blood to Pugna. Ha ha! First blood! Oh. Oh. Haste. Swift sorceries. Illusion. Sorcerers 3 are we. Immortality. Deathless. It is in the bag. Invisibility. Oblivious to oblivion. Mechanism it is then. Black King Bar, you are mine. You're banished. You crossed my path. Crossed you off my list. Wish I could say that I'll miss you, but I won't. Or did I do that to you? Life exits through the eyes. You were oblivious. Now you're mine. Enter oblivion. The first time I saw you, I knew where you were headed. Life is wasted on the living. We're finally getting somewhere. Don't take it personally. You were just taking up space. I'll take that. More for me. A small price to pay. Nether toll. You're finished. Oblivious. Mine. Mine. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! The inner light doth evil shine. Oblivion's power infuses. Who needs a blade when you have oblivion? Ah, darker power fills me. I'll put my powers to no good use. Ah, this is going to be good. Ah, what's good for me is bad for thee. No! Defeated! Victory slips out of reach! Oh yes, why not? I'm going. Already there. On my way. A little jaunt. I'll take a crack at it. You wish. By the nether reaches. Try me. Oh, I'm gone. I was headed that way myself. Yonder I wander. Out of my way. Out of my way. Netherly. Oblivion comes. Wandering. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Seems like a solid investment. Not a bad price for making my enemies weep. Always wanted one of these. All sorceries have their source in the nether reaches. Do you know why they call it the nether reaches? Because it reaches into you. As bad as things get, I can always come up with a way to make them a little worse. To master oblivion, you must become oblivion. Look into my eyes, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Regeneration! Nether rejuvenation. I was just looking in on the nether reaches. I'm back for more malice. Anyone miss me? Oblivion ahead. Ah! Expelled from the nether reaches. A new age of dark magic starts now. I renew my vows to cause the most possible suffering. It's not like you're going to get anywhere without me. Let's see if I can make the worst of a bad situation. I'm back, and I've got a few ideas for some new headstones. I'm not sure what happened back there, but I'm not going to let it happen again. Ah, Viper, my erstwhile pet. Viper, I wondered where you had gotten to. What was it, Viper? Nether Reaches lost their charm? Back to the Nether Reaches with you, Viper! Viper, here you fly where below you crawled. I am the anti-anti-mage. To anti-mage, with my compliments. Anti-mage, it's like looking in a broken mirror. The real enigma is why you thought you could go up against me. Shadow Shaman, I cast you out. Obsidian Destroyer, your wards can't keep me away. Ah, Scepter. I hereby banish any need for patience. Life drain, no waiting. Shitty wizard. Pugna! I'll take all you have and more. Who dared cross my path? I bring oblivion. I channel the power of the Nether Reaches. Thanks. In your debt. I'm under attack! Ha! Yes! Victory! Let oblivion ring with Pugna's endless victories!